Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best powerful trading laptops for technical analysis on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 selections and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Acer Aspire 15. Presenting yet another Acer addition to our compilation of optimal laptops for stock trading, the Acer Aspire 15E5575 stands as a wallet-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on performance. Striking a balance between processing power and cost-effectiveness, it caters admirably to budget-conscious traders. Armed with an Intel Core i3 processor and 4 GB of RAM, it adeptly navigates various trading platforms and software without encountering slowdowns. Additionally, its 12-hour battery longevity ensures uninterrupted trading sessions. Acer's Color Blast technology contributes exceptional color and image quality, especially valuable to traders relying on precise visual interpretations of stock charts and graphs. Furthermore, boasting a 1 TB hard drive, this laptop offers substantial storage capacity, accommodating trading software, data, and documents seamlessly. Number 2. HP 14 Laptop. Introducing the HP 14 laptop, a standout choice among laptops for stock trading crafted by HP's ingenuity. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor and 8 GB of RAM, it ensures seamless multitasking for efficient trading operations. The laptop boasts a contemporary design and a vivid display, blending style with functionality for traders. Its high-definition, anti-glare display ensures comfortable viewing. With a commendable battery life of up to 10 hours, the HP 14 laptop empowers traders to work extensively without battery concerns. Equipped to handle updating graphs and charts, it combines performance with portability in a thin and lightweight package. However, akin to the earlier Microsoft Surface 5, the HP 14 laptop contends with limited storage capacity. While external storage solutions and cloud services can mitigate this, handling sizable software installations and multimedia files may be challenging. Nonetheless, the laptop offers diverse connectivity options, including USB ports and NS card slot, to address storage constraints. Its swift performance and cost-effective pricing position it as an appealing choice for those valuing speed and portability over extensive storage. Number 3. Acer Aspire Vero. Continuing our exploration of top-notch laptops for stock trading, Acer's contribution takes center stage with the Acer Aspire Vero. This laptop strikes a commendable balance between performance and affordability, catering to budget-conscious traders. The Intel Core i7 12th Gen processor and capacious 1 TB storage effortlessly handle the demands of stock trading software. However, its standout feature lies in its eco-conscious identity. Constructed from post-consumer recycled plastics, the Acer Aspire Vero not only curtails waste, but also champions environmental sustainability, setting it apart. This unique eco-friendly design is a testament to Acer's commitment to both performance and environmental responsibility. The laptop's enduring battery life and 15.6-inch Full HD display enhance its appeal further. While its processing prowess remains impressive, a minor setback lies in its color vibrancy. Nevertheless, adjusting graph colors can mitigate this concern. For those seeking speed, performance, and a greener approach, the Acer Aspire Vero proves an enticing choice in the realm of stock trading laptops. Number 4. Asus Zenbook Pro. For those seeking a blend of style, coolness, and cutting-edge performance, the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo UX 581 stands as the answer. With an impressive Intel Core i7 processor, this laptop is primed to match the demands of the modern era. Its capacious and swift hard drive further ensures rapid data storage and retrieval, making it an impeccable companion for stock trading. A star feature, the ScreenPad Plus, takes center stage. This touchscreen enables concurrent use of another application on the side, thanks to the laptop's robust 16 GB RAM and processor. The synergy of these components seamlessly accommodates dual screens, empowering users to run distinct apps simultaneously. While addressing the need for multi-monitor setups, the laptop's power and functionality come at a cost, notably a steep one. The robust processing, expansive hard drive, and dual-screen functionality draw substantial battery power, resulting in shorter battery life. Despite this limitation, the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo UX 581 undeniably ranks among the premier laptops for stock trading, combining advanced features with style. Number 5. Apple MacBook Pro Laptop M2. Apple's latest MacBook Pro, powered by the M2 chip, isn't just exceptional, it's among the best laptops for stock trading. The 16.2-inch screen offers a wide canvas for stunning visuals, complemented by the laptop's sleek aluminum build. The M2 chip ensures swift processing tailored to Apple's modern computers, while the 512 GB storage accommodates sample documents. Plus, with an impressive 22-hour battery life, it's ideal for tracking the stock market. However, the MacBook Pro's appeal hinges on a preference for macOS and a willingness to invest in a premium device. Renowned for high performance and reliability, Apple's MacBook Pro remains a top choice for professionals. Its potent capabilities make it a dependable companion for stock tracking, exemplifying Apple's commitment to excellence. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.